So when you come to one of these retreats, one of the things you can expect is that you will be changed by the experience. And that's a good thing. And it's challenging because you're doing your work, and it's also freeing because you're able to let go of ways in which you were stopped, ways in which you were stuck. And you also begin to release some of the ways in which you have not, at least for me, not allowed myself to feel, some of the ways in which I was not aware that I was impacting people. And that can be a little difficult, but it's also learning and growth. Because what I have found is that as I have begun to handle and learn the concepts in a way that's useful, in a way that's real, then the work that I do is so much more effective. I don't know how they do it, but somehow the people I work with intuit that now I've handled something of my own, and it's safe for them to bring up those issues with me. And so the quality of my work and the depth of my work has improved as I've done my own processing. And in the workshops, it's safe. You have the opportunity to move forward into something, or if you need to hold back a little bit until you're really ready to step into a new learning, it's, that freedom is there. And so the support is there to actually do the work. I've begun to be able to hear and to see when people are in pain that I might not have seen before, when people are disassociating that I might not have seen before, that I'm beginning to sense their attachments in ways that I haven't perceived before. And that allows me to connect with others and to assist others in a very precise way. So I'm really grateful for what I've learned, and I would totally recommend this to anyone.